Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 billion signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. Friday morning, time to analyze the market, major currency pairs, their significant levels, and of course, to set up our trades and have some fun because the weekend is coming. As usual, we start with Euro US dollar. By the way, quick recap about the fundamental calendar. It was a very volatile week, very interesting. We have three interest rate decisions in Swiss, in UK yesterday. They left actually the same interest rate like before, 0.75 negative interest rate in Swiss, like the previous one, 0.75 for UK, and Federal Reserve decreased interest rate with 0.25 from 2.25 to 2%. So definitely we can consider this as a very volatile week, full of major events, and of course we got a couple of very good opportunities. So as usual, Euro US dollar, as I love to say, definitely very shaky, very unpredictable currency pair. Better stay out of it, especially if you see the mess for the last couple of days. No point even to pay attention on the Euro US dollar. I'm gonna keep exactly the same support and resistances here. GBP US, we are still waiting to see much bigger drop than the last couple of days. We got momentum, we got slight drop of 100 pips, but right now, as we can see, the price is heading up. We have to be very careful with the short opportunities. Put a belief in the long-term forecast. We can see Great British Pound going down significantly. So in the long term, it's bearish. Wait a little bit before you start taking any short trades. For now, we just wait. Australian US recovering after the big drop we got for 2 days, about 100 pips drop of Australian US dollar, recovering to the upside. I'm totally bearish, and 0.6829 is going to be my resistance level where I'm going to put my focus on. It's a matter of time to see the price testing the resistance. It can go up, but definitely it's not good time to take any short trades. New Zealand US, it's a little bit step ahead from the Australian dollar. As you can see, testing 0.63 round number, and right now is trying to push higher. There is a big chance to see New Zealand recovering to the upside, especially when is testing round number and significant support level. So if you're gonna take short opportunities, wait for a very strong breakout to the downside. USD CAD, first we take a look at the crude oil. What is going on? Try to recover to the upside. We spoke about the closing the gap to the gap is 55.67, 54. So around 54, 55 in this zone, we can see crude oil dropping too. And after it closing the gap, we can see recovery and reversal to the upside. This gap was actually caused by the drone attack overnight, over the weekend, last weekend. So crude oil, if we see crude oil recovering to the upside before closing the gap, we're gonna see USD Canadian simply dropping down because the crude oil is gonna go up, and Canadian dollar is going to follow the crude oil. So which makes USD Canadian pretty interesting, but at the same time, if you take a look at the bigger picture, USD Canadian is a little bit unpredictable, very volatile, ranging most of the time. So stay away from USD Canadian for now. USD Swiss, definitely I would consider this as potential opportunities since it's testing the resistance, and it's very clear and significant resistance, 0.9946. A couple of times this level was tested. Tried to test the parity level 1.0, obviously didn't manage to test it and reversed back to the downside. Significant bearish momentum. Definitely I'm waiting to short USD Swiss. Absolutely the same situation with USD Japanese. We've been going in a very strong downtrend, stronger than usual recovery. I would definitely consider this as a recovery, even though some of my students are gonna tell me it looks like an uptrend, but for now it's definitely not an uptrend, simply because the downtrend is much stronger than this price action. So we got very strong bearish momentum. Absolutely possible to see USD Japanese going down and even testing the support 107.04, 107 round number, which makes this trade with potential opportunity for 70, 80 pips take profit. USD Swiss and USD Japanese are my favorite instruments today. Very potential. I'm gonna follow closely these two, of course. And if you have any questions, get back to me. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Of course, thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel. I see your respect, by the way, based on your thumbs ups. Comments below if you want, of course. Share us and like us on the social medias. Expect my new video on Monday. And of course, enjoy the weekend. Have fun.